Hey everyone, welcome back to Growtheon. It's Mary here. So in this video, I am going to walk you through on how to properly set up your SaaS plans inside a Growtheon and start reselling Growtheon. So this process might or you may feel a little technical at first, but once you understand the flow, it becomes really simple. So let's go step by step. So first, you will log into your account, Growtheon account, and once you're in, you'll go to your agency view. So we have the agency dashboard here. You'll go to your SaaS Manager. And next, so this is where you will create and manage the SaaS plans that you want to sell to your clients. Next is click on the SaaS plans or the pricing plans. So here, you want to make sure that your pricing is correctly before continuing. So important thing or one important thing that you have to remember, so your SaaS plan must be at least or not lower than 97 per month because Growtheon doesn't allow reselling below 97 a month because it undercuts the platform pricing structure. So you want to make sure that the pricing is set correctly. So you create your plan there, name of the plan, billing cycle, if it's monthly, yearly, quarterly, or a lifetime, the pricing, features, and the stripe. Then next is once you're done creating your SaaS plans, you will have to connect Stripe in the agency integration. So now we need to connect the Stripe. So go to your agency again, then settings, then open integrations here. Then you'll see Stripe. So I have connected Stripe here. So just configure the Stripe there, connect the Stripe there. Connect the Stripe account that you want to use for collecting payments. So that's the next process. Then the next is connect the same Stripe account into your main workspace. So once you're done configuring the Stripe account into the agency level, we'll have to go to the workspace or the main workspace that you want to connect, or because after connecting Stripe at the agency level, you also need to connect the same Stripe account inside your workspace level. So go into the workspace you use for your agency. So let's go there. So say here. So you want to connect the same Stripe account there. So just simply go to the settings, integrations, then payments, then just simply connect Stripe to your workspace. So this step is really important because both the agency level and workspace level need access to the Stripe for the automation and checkout process to work correctly. So after that, after you did that Stripe account into your workspace in the workspace level, next will be sync the Stripe products. So once Stripe is connected, go to the payments tab. And from there, you sync your products from Stripe. Once you connect or once you successfully connected the same Stripe account from your agency level to your workspace level, you will see like a button in here. It should show there's something connected. Then you'll just have to sync products and you'll just have to sync your products from Stripe. And the next is now you have to add the products to your checkout form. So we have to go to the forms. So now go to the forms and create your own checkout form. So let's say here, for example, here. So inside the checkout form settings, add the product. So inside the form, or the checkout form settings, just add the product there that were synced from Stripe. So this is what the customer will use to purchase your SaaS plan, okay? And the next step is add the checkout form to your website. So next step is you will create a website. So let's go back. So sites. So I'm just walking you through on where you will go or what to click basically for this process. So just go to any of the website that you created, then add the checkout form onto the page. So now, once you add that, now customers can visit your website and purchase directly from you, right? And once someone completes the purchase, Growtheon automatically creates their account and the workspace for them. So the entire process becomes automated. So customer purchase, the customer purchases, the payment is being processed, and then the workspace gets automatically created. Okay? So, yeah, one important thing to remember is when you create your SaaS plans, make sure that it's properly connected to the Stripe product. So, you want to sync products from Stripe first, then use those sync products inside your checkout form. And that's it. That's the full process for setting up the SaaS plans and reselling Growtheon. So that's basically it. That's the whole process. I walk you through on where you will go from the agency level and a workspace level. And if you find this helpful or if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more Growtheon setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!